Bulungula College is located in Folokwe Village and is a no-fee independent school for academic grades 10 to 12 in an accredited job skills and entrepreneurship program. We are a center of excellence, providing quality academic and vocational education to all learners in the Kogamouth region. We believe that every person deserves an education, and therefore we never turn away a learner based on their academic ability. Our academic courses include business studies, physical sciences, agriculture, life sciences, life orientation, English first additional language, isiXhosa home language, mathematics, and mathematical literacy. Our job skills and entrepreneurship program, known as JSEP, offers accredited courses and internship placements in farming and agriculture, early childhood development, e-learning, business administration, home-based care work, and handyman skills. The JSEP also offers the exciting opportunity to obtain a learner's and driver's license with driving lessons based on site. We have an equipped science lab, tablet e-learning program, library, and computer tech center to enhance learning for all of our students. We offer opportunities for extracurricular programs in choir, athletics, netball, volleyball, and soccer. Students are able to learn best in a supportive and caring environment. We provide each of our learners with their own textbooks and adequate learning materials to succeed. We pride ourselves on having passionate teachers who care about their learners. Bulungula College's academic classroom sizes are kept small to ensure learners understand the content and feel comfortable asking questions. We have a zero-tolerance policy for corporal punishment. Our learners must feel safe while they are at school. You cannot learn and grow on a hungry stomach. Each learner is fed 2 nutritious, hot-cooked meals each day. We hold regular health visits and outreach events from Bulungula Health Point to ensure that our learners receive the healthcare they need to stay in school and achieve their goals. Bulungula College is a project of the non-profit organization Bulungula Incubator. This governance structure ensures proper checks and balances are in place for our school to run smoothly and fairly. Become part of the Bulungula College community and apply today. Sakingo Kelly Zesizwe Ngobuntu.